What's up, Brew Crew? Opie here. Welcome back to the Brew City Gardener channel. So I just first off want to say thanks, guys, for stopping by the very first brew sitting. Man, we had a lot of fun and a fairly good turnout. You know, just a really kind of a close knit community of the people that I'm associated with in the video creation world were there. So I really appreciate your guys' support. We had so much fun. And Miss Brew City just loved it as well. So I think she's really excited, and I am too, about starting some live streams coming up in the future, some future brew sittings. So definitely looking forward to that. And you know, with the winter months coming on, and it's just cold, and there's definitely nothing going on outside garden wise. So that really reduces the amount of content that we can pump out without getting too personal in our home lives. You know, so as far as video output, I think we're gonna drop our regular weekly videos down to one a week, and maybe throw two in there. It just depends on what's going on, but at least one a week. But we want to start the live streaming, so we're thinking about every other weekend, a couple times a month, and really get to interact with you guys, especially during the holiday season, the cold winter months. You know, it's just, with all the stress that we'd had going on over the last several months, that was really it was really uplifting for us, and just felt really good. We had so much fun, so we definitely want to do that again. Another update, believe it or not, is Bertha back here. So I was talking to the previous owner's grandson, which is a really good childhood friend of mine, and Bertha was actually obtained at a funeral back in 1997. So Bertha's like 23, 24 years old. So Bertha's old enough to drink. So maybe she'll join us on the next brew sitting. I don't know. We'll have to see. But anyway, even with everything slowing down for the winter months, make sure you stay tuned, because we've got some really big plans. We got a lot of things that are starting to be put in motion. And you know, the bigger the plan, the slower the takeoff on these things, and the more planning that it takes. So we've got big things coming. There's no doubt about it. We're definitely going to have several Brew City Gardens throughout the whole city of Milwaukee coming up next spring. We are going to be really drilling down, saving money, and going to be in the process of looking for and purchasing a house over the next year and a half. So there's some really major life things happening, and it's sure to be interesting for sure. So you know, just bear with us through these winter months, and you know, come next spring, things are going to get crazy. I can already tell. So I'm kind of enjoying the slow moments right now, and we're just getting kind of settled into the new place. So it's all kind of working together really well as far as that's concerned. So I really appreciate your guys' support. Just wanted to give you a quick update. All right, guys, have an awesome week, and until next time, we'll see you.